Hello everybody, this is Maleeha Maqbool. I'm originally from Pakistan. Right now, I'm an EIT Manufacturing Master School student pursuing a degree in Zero Defect Manufacture for a circular economy. For my entry university, I'm studying at Aalto University in Finland, and for my second year, I go to Grenoble in France. So the biggest factor that influenced my decision to take part in this program at EIT Manufacturing was the exciting opportunity to be able to experience two European cities, two European study styles, two European countries. And the second biggest factor definitely was that EIT Manufacturing places a lot of importance on gender inclusion in manufacturing, which is a subject I'm very passionate about. I would say that the thing that most aligns with my career goals in this EIT manufacturing program is how forward-looking it is, how it's focused on a lot of technologies that we'll be seeing in a couple of years in the future. For example, digital manufacturing, use of AI in manufacturing, and also, like in my program, a circular economy and moving towards sustainability. For my specific program, the number one skill that I'm very interested in learning about during the next 2 years of my studies is how to be more sustainable in a field like manufacturing, because manufacturing has traditionally been thought of as a field where you get your hands dirty and a field where you're able to produce a lot of waste because there's always chips flying around in a factory, and to be able to be sustainable in an environment like that would be a very interesting thing to learn about. I'm very excited to become a part of the summer school during the summer months because I've heard that's a very exciting opportunity for people who are interested in learning about entrepreneurship, and I'm really excited to get into the challenges that the companies are going to throw at us and hopefully solve them and also win the prize maybe. Because EIT Manufacturing has a huge network all across Europe for industry as well as academia partners. So I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to be able to learn from these professionals who have years of experience and to be able to learn about the best practices in the industry. I come with some work experience in the field of manufacturing already, and now to be able to study about the practices and especially to study in a place like Europe where the manufacturing sector is huge over here and also has the most advanced manufacturing techniques in the world. And like I said already, EIT is a very forward-looking program and we're learning about technologies that are going to shape the future of manufacturing. So it's very interesting to learn about all of those things. The last 2 days have been a very huge learning experience for me to be able to meet up with industry professionals from companies like Volvo, CTAG, SmartFab, and also representatives from the EU, and to be able to learn from them, and also to meet my fellow students from other EIT programs. Very, very good opportunity.